turn your listening experience to the next level? Or what about a camera to do your job? Well, that's not all. We will be showing you some very interesting picks today. All the links to the products are in the description below. Samsung SHS 2920 Keyless Touchpad Security. With features such as dual-way security and a touchscreen-based control system, the Samsung SHS 2920 digital door lock will increase your home security like never before. This lock applies the power of circuit technology in order to withstand high-voltage electric shock. That way, safety is increased for this door lock. Even if the indoor temperature is 60 degrees or above, there is an alarm sound as well as an automatic release of the lock on the door. Now, if the electronic operating feature is somehow damaged, the door can then be opened by a manual lever. In the case of physical shocks or repeated errors engaging authentication for access, the alarm sound will help in reducing intrusion accidents. The lock is also provided with a crime setting feature that will prevent intrusion whenever you are going out by featuring the alarm sound if the door lock is operated from inside the home. Most importantly, you won't have to worry about locking the door anymore, as the door locks automatically as soon as it is closed. Garmin Approach S20 Golf Watch. Improve your game and lower your score with the Garmin Approach S20 Golf Watch. Using the latest technology in wearables, this smartwatch is able to measure your shot distances and automatically record each one for a detailed post-round analysis. To fine-tune your game, this smartwatch is able to track how many fairways you hit and putts per round. Additionally, the Approach S20 Golf Watch is equipped with activity tracking and will even remind you to stay active while you're on and off the course. Throughout the day, you can view your steps, calories burned, distance, and even the hours you sleep. Above all, this comfortable watch displays the time whenever you need it and remains sleek and stylish for any outfit. BitLock, the keyless bike lock. Ride your bike with peace of mind with BitLock, the keyless bike lock. Using a proximity sensor via Bluetooth Low Energy, you can unlock and lock your bike with a press of a button without even touching your phone. Working as an intelligent app, BitLock doesn't just lock and unlock your bike, it can also find where you last put it with built-in GPS. In case you don't have your phone or it has run out of battery, BitLock works like a traditional bike lock and can be unlocked with a 4-digit code. Made of reinforced and heat-treated steel, the inside of BitLock is a sealed and weatherproof plastic casing for the disc locking mechanism, so it can handle any and all weather and temperatures. Available in 6 colors, the ultra-portable BitLock weighs under 2.5 pounds. Boombot Pro Plus Base Station by Boombotics. Get ready to crank the volume with the Boombot Pro Plus Base Station by Boombotics. This all-black speaker system includes the iconic Boombotics wireless and weatherproof speaker, along with a powerful subwoofer to blow you away with sound. The Boombot Pro Plus can be easily removed from the dock so you can take the tunes with you. Once on the base station, the sound is transformed and is delivered with a super rich bass that will get any party started. Connect with Bluetooth or the gold-plated leads to access all the songs and audio on your device. Additionally, when on the base station, the Boombot Pro Plus will charge 50% faster than if plugged into an outlet. With its sturdy and waterproof construction, this speaker has been designed and built to withstand whatever you throw its way. Cryptex Antique Gold 32GB USB Flash Drive. Forget about your digital data being stolen or seen by unwanted eyes with your Cryptex Antique Gold 32GB flash drive. The flash drive comes with USB 3.0 that flaunts a trendy steampunk design and is a promotional gift award winner of 2015. Your digital data is securely locked under a 5-digit mechanical combination lock. Cryptek's antique gold 32GB USB flash drive presents a unique security ability for your digital information, being securely locked in an unusual container that people used hundreds of years ago to keep secrets. With Cryptek's antique gold made in a steampunk design, your digital information under a 5-digit mechanical combination code makes you the only one able to grant access to it. Good Grip's Lily Wood Mill Set by OXO. Upgrade your kitchen table with some style with the Good Grip's Lily Wood Mill Set by OXO. With a mill for both salt and pepper, each piece in this beautiful set is made from a single piece of beech wood. Available in a natural or dark wood, the tops of the Lily Wood Mill Set feature a contoured knob to give you the grip you need to season your meal. The tops also feature switches. A white decal indicates the salt grinder and a black decal is for the pepper. Simply rotate the switch to obtain your desired granule size from coarse to fine. Measuring 6 inches tall, the salt mill can hold up to 44 grams of salt, while the other mill can hold 24 grams of pepper. With the Lilywood Mill Set, the seasoning has never been so easy. Libratone 2 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. All your favorite songs are now available on the go with the Libratone 2 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Available in dark gray, light gray, green, and red, this compact yet powerful speaker pumps out audio a full 360 degrees, all with deep bass and crisp highs. The 2 portable speaker was made to travel with you. On the end is a handy strap to attach to your gear, while the overall design is splash-proof to withstand any adventure. The 2 portable speaker functions with the app for your mobile device, and you can even connect 2 speakers for a surround sound experience. The 2 portable speaker will last as long as you do with a rechargeable battery that provides over 12 hours of continuous use. Nomad Espresso Machine by Unitera. Need your Java fix on the go? Have no fear. The Nomad Espresso Machine by Unitera is here to save the day. Unlike other machines, the Nomad doesn't use electricity, batteries, or gas propellants, which means you can have your coffee and drink it too, no matter where you go. Perfect for use at home or while you're out, the Nomad Espresso Machine is equipped with a true Crema valve to compensate for coffee grounds or tamping variations, and ensures your cup is the best cup every time. Simply use the micro lever in a seesaw motion to activate the 2 tiny piston water pumps. After just a few motions, enough pressure builds up to create the perfect brew. The interactive pressure control gauge gives you a live view of the pressure so you have total control. Ivy Smarter Kit LED Lighting Kit by Nanoleaf. Create your ideal lighting and get it on demand with the Ivy Smarter Kit LED Lighting Kit by Nanoleaf. Compatible with Apple HomeKit, this system of lights can be activated and controlled by using the Siri voice commands. The lights can also be managed from the app on your smartphone or tablet. In addition to HomeKit and the rest of the Nanoleaf range, the Ivy Smarter Kit is also compatible with third-party smart bulbs, because the firmware for this system can be easily updated. Blue Lounge Cable Drop Cable Tidy. Rid your desk of the clutter once and for all with the Blue Lounge Cable Drop Cable Tidy. This simple yet imperative system provides perfectly sized slots to neatly hang your cables. Easily and securely attaching to your wall, desk, or filing cabinet with a strong adhesive, the Cable Drop features 4 total slots for your cables. The 2 exterior slots are designed to have a looser hold for the cables you use more often. The interior slots have a tighter grip to keep hold of the cables that you rarely use. Translotia Wireless Table Lamp by Fatboy. Take your light wherever you'd like with the Translotia Wireless Table Lamp by Fatboy. Totally transparent, this unique lamp is ultra compact as it measures just 9.8 inches tall and only 6.3 inches in diameter. Despite its small size, the Translotia table lamp produces a dazzling light through the entirely transparent structure to give you the most amount of light. This table lamp features a touch-sensitive system that can adjust to 3 shades of energy-saving LED light with the touch of your finger. Games Power True Wireless Earbuds. Adopting DSR lossless HD rendering technology that delivers deep bass and crystal crisp treble. Built-in high-definition microphone ensures call quality and stable transmission, giving you the perfect immersive sound. It's also used to be a game console. Built-in 108 classic games, bringing back your fun childhood memories. This is also an ideal gift for your kids and friends. Together with smart touch sensors, our wireless earbuds can get ultimate control without using the phone and largely prevent discomfort like the physical button. Perfectly compatible with Windows, iOS, Android, and all devices above Bluetooth 4.0. WatchGuard Body Camera. Law enforcement agencies looking to capture critical video evidence demand an integrated system that works for their officers. The WatchGuard mobile video system is designed for this connected officer. Automatic wireless activation keeps the officer focused on the task at hand. High-quality audio and video synchronized across all cameras, both in-car and body-worn. Incidents can be captured on scene and automatically uploaded for review by command staff. Agencies serious about transparency and capturing all critical events don't rely on basic tactics like pre-event recording. There's often little value found in 30 seconds of lead-up video, and a record button never pressed is an incident never captured.